Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is an update for Bitcoin emergency. We're going down, we are going down, we are dumping. This is my live stream, 24 hours, 7 days a week, and we are starting with our analysis now. Guys, let's go. So, a quick view on CoinMarketCap. What's going on here? Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 1.7%. In the 24 hours, Ethereum is going down more, 2.4%. The Binance coin is going down, Cardano, ADA, Solana, Sol, XRP is going down, Doge, the Dogecoin is going down, and so on. The most coins here are going down now for the moment. And what can we see? Bitcoin has a dominance about 42%. Ethereum is going down with the dominance 17.4%. Guys, let me go in the action, in the direct action. Here is the 1 hour time frame. What's happening? I showed you this picture here since longer time. This is a big downtrend in a 1 hour time frame. And yes, this triangle. Welcome back in the triangle, and we are now near the bottom of the triangle. That's maybe the next try to hunt a bottom here, to next try for a long position. So guys, attention. We have here the Fibonacci line on the downside, 0.236. That's the price about 37,400. That's the big support point on the downside, and maybe we are hunting now the bottom. Where is the bottom? Can we go back in again? Will we see after this a nice jump to the upside? We need to watch. The big question is, guys, what is happening now? The big question is, yes, look at this. We saw, and that's also a really nice thing, guys. I just saw it here. Left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, and that's a shoulder head shoulder pattern. And yes, of course, we had here a trend line like this one, and we can see the target. We are breaking down of this, and we can see the target for breaking down, and the target is under our triangle. The target is here on 37,300. That's the technical target of our shoulder head shoulder. But we can see one thing. Rudy, greetings out there. Rudy told me, Biti, is this a diamond pattern? Guys, look at this. We are drawing this now. This, a line from here to here, a line from here to here, and a line from here to here. The big question is, where is the line on the downside? I draw it like this one. So guys, we see a triangle pattern here, and yes, we saw also a triangle pattern here. We have now the next diamond pattern. This one broke out to the downside. The big question is, what's happening with this? No, it's not a big question, because we broke down to the downside also. This diamond pattern broke down to the downside, and this one broke also down to the downside. Now it is the big support line here. I will make it green for you guys, because it's a really big support for the moment. And for the moment, it's holding. For the moment, we are building an unsure closing candle. What else can we see? We are in a golden cross zone. Remember, guys, 1 hour time frame, golden cross. And we are now back again on this red line. The red line is here our support line. So really important. We need to hold this support line. Guys, you know it. Red line is the 200 SMA line. This one here is 37,500. And this is our big support. The bad news are, we lost our EMA 200. That's about 37,900. We need to fight back. So big question. Can we make now a long position here on the downside of the triangle for the next move to the upside? I'm trying this, guys. I'm trying this with a stop loss position under this. I will set a stop loss position under 37,400, and I try to catch the bottom now here again. So this is a really fast update for the day, only 3 minutes 40 seconds. Let me show you, really important before we end this video, relative strength index. Let's remove this one. Let's remove this one, relative strength index. We need to watch this one now. Here it is, relative strength index. And what can we see here? Look at this, guys. We have a nice support line from the downside to the upside, this one, and it is now a perfect hit. It's a little bit under this support line, so attention guys. This support line, RSI, must hold. We must see now a move to the upside, because if we will lose this to the downside, it's not the best thing. And what else can we watch? The MACD, the moving average, and this one is showing us not a nice picture. From today, from 12 o'clock, we saw here a downgoing price, not the cross. The cross happened here on 1st February at 5 o'clock in the evening. Now we are going down and down. Here was a maybe cross for the MACD, but no, it was not a cross. We went down again. It was a really important situation here. And yes, we are going down again with the MACD. Big question is now, guys, as I told you, bottom, yes, no, buy. I'm trying it. I'm trying to catch the bottom again. Guys, That's the update. 5 minutes only for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant and very important, I'm not a financial advice. It's not a financial advice. Bye bye.
System activated.